So let's start by dividing these numbers as if there was no decimal point. Okay, so that's dividing this. Okay, so for 172, we can put 6 26s, which is 156. Okay, and then this will just give me 12, 4, so 16 remaining. Okay, then it'll be 165. Okay, then we can put another, right, 156. So that'll be another 6 here. Okay, so then this time we'll get a remainder of 9. Okay, then we can drop the 0. This will be 66 point. This time we can add 3 26s. Okay, so that'll be then 8, and then we get 2, 4, 6, 78. Okay, subtracting this, right, we end up getting just 12. And we can add, right, this will be, we need to drop another 0, so it'll be 120. So then we can only add 4 more 26s. Okay, so having 4 of those will give me 104. Right, and when subtracting this, we end up getting 16. Okay, but we don't need to go any further, right? We can round this to 66.3, right? But this is what we have. Okay, and then rounding this up to 173 and rounding this up to 3, right? Let's divide this now. Okay, so we know we can add 5 3s in, right? And then we get 2, 3. Okay, now we can add, let's see, 7 3s, right? Then we can get 21, get the 2, bring the 0 down, right? But notice that it's going to be 57 point something, right? So then according to this quotient, we don't need to go any further, right? The decimal place is in the correct spot. Okay, so estimating or rounding to the nearest tenth, we end up getting 66.3 as our correct quotient.